Is it okay if the parents are fighting in front of the kids?
Child is saying, ma'am, I'm not able to concentrate. Ab if coming to that, why is he not able to concentrate? Because anxiety has built up.
What are your tips on letting children handle the stress during exams?
And they're telling you every time, pado, aise karo. They are putting their anxiety on you.
There is शर्मा जी की बेटी सिंड्रोम कि पड़ोस में उनने ज़्यादा अच्छा कर लिया, वो डॉक्टर बन गई, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? I mean, हम अभी देख ही रहे हैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो सीरीज चालू करी है. I think it's wonderful. Hi and welcome to Academy Unplugged. I am प्राची के दशौरा और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आप मेरी इस जर्नी में साथ में हैं, जिसमें हम पेरेंटिंग, अर्ली चाइल्डहुड एजुकेशन, करियर काउंसलिंग, स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड मेंटल वेलबीइंग के बारे में बात करेंगे. Today, I'm more than excited that Dr. Major Shamita Bhushan ma'am has joined us and has taken precious time out of your schedule. Thank you, ma'am, for coming in.
Thank you, Prachi.
My audience would love to hear about you.
Thank you so much. And seeing you as an educator, so it's a pleasure, talking to somebody. And the topic that you've chosen, that is parental conflict, I think it is very pivotal in today's time. And with my small brief introduction, I am a psychiatrist and I am ex-army veteran. I hail from Jammu and now settled in Indore, liking the Malvanchal and all the place, and comfortably settled here and working here. I am associated with Motherhood Hospital as well as DNS Hospital.
Lovely. I know you have been working relentlessly towards parenting. I would want to ask you my first question. There is a new term that has come in the market which is called the happy child syndrome. I think बहुत सारे parents, mothers and fathers एक चीज़ में लगे कि बस हमारा बच्चा खुश रहे. So whether they are doing the right parenting or wrong parenting, the result should be कि बस बच्चा खुश रहे. फिर हम भले ही मोबाइल फ़ोन दे दें उनको खाने के टाइम पे या हम डांटना बंद कर दें. What is your take on that?
Very aptly said, and वही जैसे होता है ना, it's the new thing in the market, the happy baby or the happiness syndrome or whatever we say it. सबसे पहले, as we know, as a psychiatrist, if I would say, happiness is a state of mind. And we are social human beings, are social animals who have a limbic system which is full of emotions. If there is happiness, there has to be sadness, there have to be all elements integrated. So ये जो bubble of happy baby है, very aptly put it, this is very important to understand that child has to grow through all the things. Of course we don't want them to be sad, but any one thing that makes them happy will make them getting bored with it after some time. They will get bored. If you put them in front of gadgets today, tomorrow they say, "Arey, ye nahi maza aa raha. I'm so bored. I'm so monotonous." So there has to be constant change, flexibility, and growth. That is why eventually we have a happy lifetime.
मतलब ये एक्चुअली आपने बहुत सही बोला that happiness is a state of mind. तो अगर बच्चा खुश है तो इट्स इनएविटेबल कि वो किसी ना किसी चीज से बोर या सैड होगा ही होगा, एंड वी हैव टू टेक दैट in stride of the moment that
Absolutely
the child does not need to be happy all the time.
Absolutely
right?
Absolutely.
अगर हम इंडियन फैमिली सिनेरियो की बात करते हैं तो most of our families are joint families. There are extended families staying together. According to you, is it okay if grandparents interfere in the parenting style of a particular child or parents?
To be honest, since we're talking, when I was raising my son, he's in class 10, at times I was like, we all know we don't give salt till 2 years of age and things, the new modern parenting. And old age, the older generation, they used to give everything. Let the child go with the stride. So I got a comment from my dad one day, he's by the book child. So I was a little, ek ego aa jata hai, why they're saying it. But now, as I've grown up in my practice and observed, sare elements are important. Parents are important. You talking to your kid in English. but a grandparent is talking to them in the Indori lingo. So he's catching two, he's becoming multilinguistic. तो उनके right and left brains चल रहे हैं. When children have a sponge brain, so they'll accumulate everything. Let them digest and select what and how to harness it. उनकी capabilities बढ़ती जाती हैं at every point in time. So we don't have to worry about it. I know this is a very common conflict parents में रहता है कि हम ऐसा train कर रहे हैं and grandparents ऐसा train कर रहे हैं. But somehow we are blessed with this segment.
Yes.
Because at times क्या होता है when we are working or you know we can't give enough attention, एक secured cocoon जो उनको एक second set of wisdom से मिलता है, that is their grandparents. That is valuable in its own way. That definitely we won't be able to give at that point of time. So I think it's a blessing, and if everybody functions together as a unit, because you know grandpa is taking you for a walk and mom is coming home and having dinner together, you know father is helping with the homework, if you all segment and eventually they flourish well, they learn, their social skills develop faster.
Right. जहाँ पे आपने बोला कि the father is helping with homework, I think a lot of parents also want to know that mothers are primary caregivers. So is it okay for fathers to be present completely, और अभी भी weekend dad syndrome ही चलने देना चाहिए?
नहीं, उसमें थोड़ा सा मैं आपको ना सिंप्लीफाई करूँगी. बायोलॉजिकली जो होता है ना contact comfort. So contact comfort when the children are born, whoever is the primary caregiver, the mother paramount, and probably they have a nanny by their side. So they start recognizing, they get feed, then they recognize this person is cleaning us. So I'll just tell you a little about the psyche. So Sigmund Freud, who was the father of psychoanalysis, so he said there are three elements in psyche: id, ego and superego.
Right.
So जो newborn है, so वो id में play करता है.
Right.
भूख लगी तो रोए, and satiate हो गए तो हंस लिए. They are as simplistic. पर थोड़े से grow किए, how to put their emotions, thank you, welcome, and then the organized sector, superego. So जो बच्चे for 2 years are that's why we are having maternity leaves, child care leaves, even paternity leaves for pitching in. But जो primary caregivers हैं, scientifically for 2 years they should be by the child's side, because they are learning about separation anxiety.
Right.
Suddenly for work pressures or at times the mother abandons the child, or she's not available there, she's you know juggling. But अगर एक second caregiver permanent है, there's a permanent nanny, at times grandmothers are there, तो बच्चा ग्रो कर रहे हैं, they're getting fine tuned to that organization.
Right.
So they don't feel the separation anxieties. But unfortunately कई situations में when they're early put into crèche or they're you know they start getting that separation anxiety, which will develop later on in their personality. Though for 2 years mother by default biologically is there. Of course if the father pitches in, so they grow better, they both learn how to compartmentalize the work, and later years में obviously the child fluctuates from one parent to another, definitely.
हमेशा एक चीज देखी गई है between both the parents कि there is always a bad cop, there is always a villain, the one who disciplines the child, right? So does that actually change the perception of the child about that particular parent, whether it is mom or dad?
अच्छा, अब आपको मैं बताती हूँ. IQ is something that we are born with, and EQ is something you will conceptualize in the cradle and you will evolve it. And I think both the things are, you would agree, are equally important.
Absolutely, yes.
Because later on it's the EQ, that is the emotional
Absolutely.
quotient that balances you.
Absolutely.
So what happens, coming to this question, I think थोड़ा सा इसको unfold करें, तो as parents how are we? How's the harmony at home? That's important. Parental conflict, you know, कई बार the parents are at conflict and the burden is borne by the child, which is a silent and a passive you know victim or a listener to it. एक simple से example है, husband comes home, he had a big day, he's a IT person, मतलब mouthful हो गया और बहुत सारा काम है, and he's come home tired and children are playing, so for whatever his reasons, he tells the wife, you know, इनको चुप करा दो, I'm getting disturbed, I have another assignment to go. So अब already she's feeling कि सुबह से शाम तो ये घर से बाहर ही रहते हैं. He's just come home,
Right.
and now he started, you know, picking at the children.
And that's a very normal scenario.
That's a very normal,
scenario.
And,
yes.
and how it goes. So she has a complaint against it. It's a global problem that there's an attention deficit. So she's like, why do you always want to shout at the children? Can't you give time? So she puts everything that she is feeling deficit in that one statement. There might be a disengagement or an argument, and children will get silent automatically. But when they go to bed, that time they are not happy babies.
Right.
So that is how we need to, you know, understand the roles of the parents. You know, if he comes home and he would have asked them indulgence, you know, what are you playing? Spend 2-3 minutes. Okay, I'll make your puzzle with you. Integrate with them. Meanwhile, have his cup of coffee, and then would say ki I need to do some project, so you guys watch TV if you don't mind, and I'll complete my work and study. And then, so it is how we maintain the harmony. That's among us.
Right. So I want to ask you that is it okay if the parents are fighting in front of the kids and then resolving their conflict, or does the fight always need to be under closed doors?
I would say fighting, definitely you should never do in front of children. And healthy arguments over a table, discussing some global politics, discussing something, and you make the children pitch in, is definitely healthy, but definitely not fighting. It should be closed doors. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है जिन घरों में parents in sync होते हैं ना, the children are better disciplined. Otherwise क्या होता है कि ये माँ का लाडला है, ये father की लाडली है, and they are biologically, you know, their stress quotient is less. Children are more adaptable, less ego, and they're very smart. किस parents से क्या फरमाइश करनी and how to go about it. So we have to titrate it, you know, कि भाई उसको ऐसा बोला इसको, are we going to do it or not? So just because, you know, my husband is not good with me and I have showered everything on the child, will not give him a balanced parenting. That is where you said the good cop or the bad cop. But if there's a balance, child knows, they know, and they appreciate their parents. They know.
Right. So I want to get to our next segment, which is about dealing with exams. I think February, March आता है और सब लोग come to a halt क्योंकि board exams चालू होने वाली होती है, final exams, and more than children now I see कि parents ज़्यादा stressed रहते हैं, right?
Absolutely, 100%.
I know. I mean, it's a sad thing also, yet it's a good thing that the parents are involved in their children's study so much now, not previously so much. But what are your tips on letting children handle the stress during exams?
Honestly telling, I come across a lot of children, teenagers, exam preparing, not only board exams, but exams for their higher studies, who are preparing for NEET, UG, PG. The amount of stress that they undergo, or at times, you know, it's very sad. Still, there's a stigma. At times, it's really sad. Parents say, why do you want to go to a psychiatrist? And the child is saying, ma'am, I'm not able to concentrate. If coming to that, why is he not able to concentrate? Because anxiety has built up. The parents are anxious about your performance and they're telling you every time, pado, aise karo. They are putting their anxiety on you. You're already pressurized how to go about it. And jab anxiety builds up, so overload of anxiety eventually जो आपकी वर्किंग मेमोरी है, टू रैशनलाइज, टू रिटेन, टू लर्न, वो हैम्पर कर रही है. सो आप एक ही थॉट पे अटक जाते हो. जो एक कॉमन कंप्लेंट आती है, ओवर थिंकिंग. मैम, ओवर थिंकिंग होती है एडल्ट्स में, बच्चों में, बिकॉज व्हाट हैपन्स दैट इन मॉडर्न एरा दैट बिल्डअप ऑफ एंजाइटी, सो इट hampers your working memory, and ek thought pe you are overdoing it and you forget. At times you might forget one thing or the other, and at times you're not able to learn, so the performance gets hampered. So for all children, a pearl of advice is give a good, I always tell the parents, it's good that they are indulgent today, but we are behind them to protect them, to guide them. performance is there, and one exam doesn't change the game. So if not today, tomorrow would be a better day, because we get those news articles later which are very saddening.
Very sad,
very
yes,
saddening,
very sad.
very saddening. At times क्या होता है, कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स में बच्चे रहते हैं, घर से आगे हैं, प्रेशर है, पैकेजेस है, इट्स अ कॉम्पिटिटिव टाइम, एंड
of course.
हर बच्चा मैं आपको बताऊं प्राची मैम, मैंने मतलब कई बच्चे बोले मेरे पेरेंट्स की इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशन, आई एम नॉट, बोथ आर IITians, मैं परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहा, मुझे मैम घबराहट हो रही है. दे लव देयर पेरेंट्स, और उन्हीं से शेयर कर सकते हैं, तो उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस ही उनको एकदम
सही बात है.
सो बट हम रियलाइज नहीं करते कि एनी टाइम वी कॉलिंग देम अप, बेटा आज के टेस्ट का स्कोर क्या आया, कैसा रहा. देयर आर 3 सिंपल क्वेश्चन, खाना खाया नहीं खाया, अच्छा अगले टेस्ट में मेहनत करना. इज इट डन? They are normal human beings. हंसते खेलते, how are things going? Did you make something? We could share a joke. Humor is the best defense.
Yeah.
So exam time, one thing, compartmentalize your routine. सुबह उठ के, though I am in allopathic medicine, but I'll still vouch for yoga. If you do breathing exercise,
Yes.
it will
Yes.
cause stimulation of your brain. You start your day early. Then 30-40 minutes पढ़ो, 45 minutes, then take a small break. Maybe you skip around, or you do that puzzle ball or something. वो थोड़ा सा mind teaser हो जाता है. At times you can have some nuts or any nutrient food, because brain needs instant calorie.
Yes.
So आप एक segment create करो and half an hour to 30 minutes का workout रखो. Because क्या होता है, class 10-11 के कई बच्चे, they have socially, even we nowadays, we abandon. अगर आपको NEET UG clear करना, it's a very big challenge.
Yeah.
तो आपने abandon कर दिया. अब isolation में work pressure and emotional jargon keeps on increasing. So you have to have some amount of, maybe you cycling around, going to a gym or a run, something that activates your mind.
So physical exercise is very important.
Definitely.
I mean, हम अभी देख ही रहे हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो परीक्षा पे चर्चा करके सीरीज चालू करी है. आई थिंक इट्स वंडरफुल, बिकॉज आई वाज वाचिंग एन एपिसोड जस्ट yesterday जहाँ पे there are a lot of dietitians who have come together, from Revant Himatsinkar to Rujita Divakar, and they are talking to children as to what little changes they can do in their diet, or not having so much sugar. Instead of having cold drinks, you can have water. Rujita Divakar even said that if you have longer night hours of studying, so you should have more rice than wheat, because wheat gives you a high sugar spike, whereas rice is a more complex carbohydrate to break down, so that gives you more satisfaction for a longer time. I think ये सब छोटी बातें जो रहती है, that gives you more information, because अब हम देख ही रहे हैं, children are having graying of hair. The hair fall is so high, especially children who are doing board exams, competitive exams. The food is anyways adulterated. तो ये सब चीज़ों को, if we keep that in mind and just tell the children कि जैसा आपने बोला कि a little bit of physical exercise, 30-40 minutes, every child can spare in their day.
Concentration बढ़ेगा उनका, learning बढ़ेगा.
So the productivity eventually increases. But unfortunately, अभी भी हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी में there is शर्मा जी की बेटी सिंड्रोम, कि पड़ोस में उनने ज़्यादा अच्छा कर लिया, वो डॉक्टर बन गई, तुम क्या कर रहे हो. If not parents, then grandparents, the elders in the family still say things like this. इस चीज़ को combat कैसे करना चाहिए?
आई थिंक कई चीज़ें बहुत नेचुरल हैं कि कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट रहती है तो हम सर्वाइव करते हैं. इफ़ आई वुड से दैट हम में भी आता है, बट नाउ वी हैव इवॉल्व्ड, वी आर एडल्ट्स, so we can rationalize कि you have to compete with yourself every day and evolve every day. But बच्चे छोटे हैं and it's up to the parents to बहुत सही है, और यही चीज़ है जिस वजह से सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होती हैं.
राइट, बिल्कुल.
I have seen live examples, बच्चा कोचिंग के लिए आया है, पेरेंट्स आर एजुकेटर्स इन अ स्मॉल टाउन, दे आर डूइंग वेल, एंड उनके कोई फ्रेंड की, डैड की फ्रेंड की डॉटर हैज ऑल्सो जॉइन द हॉस्टल. तो उसको अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ के ये टेंशन हो गया है कि शी इज डूइंग वेल, उसके तो स्कोर्स अच्छे आ रहे हैं, मेरा होगा नहीं होगा, इसका हो जाएगा, एंड दैट्स गिविंग एन एंजाइटी, एंड इट इज सिंपल थिंग्स. सो जब हम बहुत पहले, वी ऑल नो कि एवरी चाइल्ड इज अ स्पेशल इंडिविजुअल इन हिमसेल्फ. तो आई थिंक मैं अभी तक दैट मूवी इज वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, यू नो, वट एवर यू डू इवेंचुअली, यू नो. आई थिंक जिस तरह से हम इंडियन बॉर्न सोसाइटी में, आई थिंक वेस्टर्न्स हैव स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग अस. वी हैव इंटीग्रिटी टूवर्ड्स आवर पेरेंट्स, जो हमारे संस्कार हैं. सो कमिंग टू दैट, जो मॉरल इंटेलिजेंस है विद अ ग्रोइंग चाइल्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वो सभ्यता में रहते हैं, दे रिस्पेक्ट वुमन, they are growing individually. Maybe today he's not a doctor, but tomorrow he might set up his own hospital. You never know. And today is a time of opportunity. So I think आजकल हम जैसे, you also agree, because counseling, career
makes
counseling,
a huge difference. Counseling of any sorts make a huge difference in a child's life.
Yeah, but you know, कई बार मैं पेरेंट्स को देखती हूँ, they are like, हमने career counseling कराया है, but you also pitch in. Observe your child from childhood till today. Was he interested in any game? Passionately, you know, he was sneaking out of the house. He was doing things beyond his time to do that one thing. तो आप उनको उस चीज के लिए बैलेंस आउट करो. एंड यू कैन टॉक टू देम दैट यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू दिस थिंग एज अ हॉबी, और यू वांट टू इंटेलेक्चुअली, यू नो, लर्न. यू, आई थिंक देयर शुड बी एन ओपन डिस्कशन सो दैट चिल्ड्रन डोंट फील प्रेशराइज्ड. एंड ये जो आप बोल रहे हो ना कि कई बार क्या होता है, पेरेंटल प्रेशर, प्रोजेनी, जनरेशन 1 2 3. तो फादर, हमारे टाइम तो एक्चुअली ऐसा था, एंड मोस्टली यू सी डॉक्टर्स के बच्चे डॉक्टर्स ही होते हैं, लॉयर के बच्चे लॉयर ही होते हैं. दिस इज अ
जनरेशनल थिंग. यस,
दो चीजें हो जाती हैं. एक तो ये है कि यू सी दैट एनवायरनमेंट, एंड वो बचपन से इम्प्रिंट है कि हमने तो यही करना है, पेरेंट्स का एक्सपेक्टेशंस का इम्प्रिंट. सो आप प्रोबेबली वोंट थिंक एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, यही करना है. एंड एट टाइम्स दे रियली डोंट वांट टू डू इट, बट देयर इज सो मच प्रेशर. एंड व्हेन दे एंटर द इंस्टीट्यूट, they are just, अब आगे अब क्या करें, they might get into abuse, start doing, you know, addictions or things like that. So which is not right. If a child wants to do something, give them their time. And today is a time where anybody and everybody can outshine. And अब हम आज social platform पे ही हैं. आप देखते हो, whether it is influencers or any story, they always make it a point to come from the failure,
yes,
to where they are, because the hurdles will be there.
Absolutely.
It's not gonna be a one day affair. So I think if we are open with our kids, it would be a healthy way out.
पर जहाँ पे आप कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स की बात कर रहे हो, आई हैव अ वेरी प्रेसिंग इशू हियर. देयर वाज अ नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज कॉल्ड कोटा फैक्ट्री, जहाँ पे they actually showed a child's journey through how he deals with all the coaching institutes and the competitive exams and everything, and a beautiful series. Are coaching institutes really important, or are they also a part of the outsourced parenting that we are seeing nowadays?
अगर इसको देखा जाए on a flip side, कई बार क्या होता है, when children come to you, they are very shy. But school में, the way I see you, the curriculums you have, you make them do so many activities, you know, जो बच्चा ने कभी सोचा नहीं. They are on the, so suddenly they have a social, they are social beings. They have their society. This is my friends. These are my teachers. वो suddenly their personality starts developing.
Right.
So कहीं ना कहीं अगर टॉडलर ईयर्स में या यंगर ईयर्स में वो इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइजेशन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो वी लुक एट इट, आपने यूपीएससी का एग्जाम देना है, आपने जेई करना है. सो इफ देयर इज अ इंस्टीट्यूट विच इज ट्रेनिंग यू राइट विद एजुकेटर्स हु आर एस एट इट, यू नो, हेल्पिंग यू गो थ्रू हाउ द कार्यक्रम गोज, द ट्रिक्स टू गो अबाउट इट. एक तो आजकल निमोनिक्स पे ही पूरा मैं यूट्यूब ही सुन रही होती हूँ कि आई नो निमोनिक्स इज अ गुड वे टू लर्न, बट उस पे ही एवरीबडी इज टेलिंग ये याद कर लो, ये. देयर इज सो मच इन द मार्केट, यू हैव टू बी सिलेक्टिव.
देयर इज सो मच, राइट.
सो अब इसमें मैम द पॉइंट इज कि यू हैव टू बी एन ऑनेस्ट पेरेंट. यू हैव टू रैशनलाइज कि आप टीचर बन गए, बट आप चाहते थे कि अब मैं नहीं बनी तो मेरा बच्चा डॉक्टर बन जाए. Is it right? You've seen him academically. He's always an average, above average, and you know it's a laborious field, and half of the time children want to, especially with medicine, or you know other things, it's like कि मम्मा पापा का सपना था, तो वो सपने की दौड़ इज़ नॉट जस्टिफाइड. एंड आई थिंक अगर जो इंस्टीट्यूट्स एंड कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स का करिकुलम, एंड ऑफ द डे आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इट्स द सेल्फ स्टडी दैट विल मेक यू लर्न एंड री लर्न एनीथिंग. सो अगर वो इस तरह से टाइट्रेटेड है दैट यू गो, यू लर्न फ्रॉम द इंस्टीट्यूट एंड देन यू डूइंग अ सेल्फ स्टडी. सो seen students doing very well independently, you know, they have really come out with good marks.
Yeah, absolutely, I completely agree. I think जहाँ पे उनकी इम्पोर्टेंस है वहाँ पे ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि चाइल्ड का कैलिबर कितना है.
Absolutely.
एंड एज अ पेरेंट इट इज अप टू अस टू गेज कि वो बच्चे का क्या कैलिबर है एंड हाउ मच पुशिंग डज.
मैम प्रेस्टीज इशू नहीं बनना चाहिए.
हाँ, आई एग्री
कि मिठाई बांटनी है, इट शुड नॉट बी अ प्रेस्टीज इशू.
I mean, I think it's a very toxic celebration when people celebrate 99%, 98%,
Absolutely.
whereas mentally that child is not even in his most stable form.
Yeah.
It has become a toxic thing now.
I have come across children, I won't name it, but there are children who did it, aced it to med school in one go. Good, हर चीज़ में टॉपर थे, एंड जैसे ही med school में गए, नो सोशल इंटरेक्शन, किसी से बात करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, कुछ भी नहीं, फेयरवेल पे जाने, दे आर जस्ट except from there was a goal, they wanted to do it. अब vacuum आ, वही emotional intelligence, you know, you have to place everything right.
Yes.
So the more you juggle between tasks, the smarter you are. So parents be, if you know, they put them in an institute, if they are able to do maybe one attempt, or they take a drop for a year if they want. If doesn't, you tell them there are better things ahead. Let's move on,
Right.
rather to stick to a point. Because अगर practically देखा जाए, I think if you learn something once, or maybe you need a little more practice twice, within 1 or 2 practices, you will shoot it.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, you need to change the game. I think that's the practical way out.
जहाँ पे आपने बोला कि मिठाई बांटनी चाहिए, I think with social media platforms and where everybody wants to, you know, get that best mom certificate, best parent certificate, the happy family certificate from I don't know who, but the parents are becoming more competitive in raising their children. How do you deal with this sort of competition?
And ma'am, actually, आजकल first we plan the child, you know, with our when we settle and when we are comfortable.
Yeah.
So they are the precious, you know, things. When you become a parent, I think we should congratulate ourselves that, you know, there's a precious being coming up, and they think magically. That is why magic happens with children. So they always have an opportunity ahead. They'll always figure out one thing or the other. Mama ऐसा नहीं हो रहा तो ऐसा कर लो. So I think we should flexibly enjoy them. And जो आप बोल रहे हो वही बात है. आप एग्जाम सेंटर्स के बाद पेरेंट्स आर मोर एंशियस कि भैया कैसा एग्जाम हो गया क्या. वी हैव टू यू नो टेक इट, दिस इज अ फेज दैट शैल टू पास, एंड उससे द चाइल्ड इज ऑल्सो more relaxed, because एक transference or counter transference. If you see your father, you know, he gets in a bad mood and he is not good with your marks, but your coach is telling you you are good at swimming, I think तुम थोड़ा सा nationals की तरफ focus करो, but he is not able to say it at home. I think that's not right. So we should have an open discussion, I think, and ये competitive spirit, if we are on this platform, and we have to tell every parent, आप तो I think PTM में बताते ही होंगे कि you know every kid is good, you know,
absolutely.
they're all different in their own.
Yes.
Tomorrow it's something else, today it's so we should not be competitive. उसने ऐसा कर लिया या उसके बच्चे ने ये कर लिया, and you know that is how we should plan. We should just enjoy them.
I think वो rat race जो है, to break that cycle for any parent is very difficult unless and until the parent is very honest with the child. So the constant communication with the child is very, very important. You know, even to address their flaws, even to address their victories by not celebrating. But जो हम कहते हैं ना शाबाशी देना, शाबाशी दे सकते हैं, but to celebrate it on a grand scale is probably not required.
It's more of a show off.
yeah, absolutely, completely.
आप अगर आप बच्चों, they are your, you know, they are a shadow of you. अगर आप, you know, tell them कि, you know, you तो doing so well, हम तो, you let them know your failures also. I did like this, I was not good at this subject, my writing was not, whatever, honestly. So they are more comfortable, I think, and if it's the more transparent and comfortable it is, and you should grow as a unit. कि, you know, it's okay if you're not doing it. But it's not that कि बिल्कुल ही, you know, you don't give them any stress about exam, and if you don't do that they will not perform. So we should titrate it up. होता क्या है, प्री प्लान कर लिया, पैकेज ले लिया, इंस्टीट्यूट में डाल दिए, अब सडनली इतना कोर्स, इतना सब कुछ, बच्चा फ्रिजल आउट हो गया. He said, I don't want to do this, I want to do animation. Now the parents are coming over, मैम इतना पैकेज दे दिया हमने, कैसे करें, क्या करें. So that's not a, we should take a breath, analyze and slowly go about things in opportunity, not in a haste just because, you know, this might. And जैसे आपने बहुत सही बोला, it's not the total responsibility of the institute. It's the home. It's how the environment you are in. Spend time with them. If you have a working in day, I tell all my clients that आपका working day रहा है, but शाम को if you all get together as a family, which we call as family therapy, at time it's needed. आप इकट्ठे कैरम खेल रहे हो, लूडो खेल रहे हो, it will bring so much relaxation in the environment and children feel protected. I think they'll bounce back to their work better.
I mean, ये तो I have seen with so many families that once they've put away their mobile phones, you know, taken away all the screens and actually interacted with each other, there's a huge paradigm shift in their entire family dynamics.
Yeah.
So it's a great tip that in the evening at least keep 40 minutes for your entire family where you're sitting together doing some activity.
तो अब होगा क्या मैम, एक साइकी है बच्चे की, सपोज दे आर सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन और दे डूइंग समथिंग, तो मामा फोन स्क्रॉल कर रही है फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजन, मोस्टली रील्स दैट वी फाइंड एंटरटेनिंग, सो वी पार्ट ऑफ दिस होल वर्ल्ड नाउ, ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड. He said कि can you help me with it, and she doesn't want to be disturbed. अरे मैं करती हूँ, देखती हूँ थोड़ी देर में. तो उसके इंटरनल जो डेवलपमेंट थी उसमें एक आ गया कि यू नो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग हेल्प फ्रॉम देयर सेल्फ, तो वो एक हेजिटेशन बैरियर क्रिएट हो गया. सो दैट्स हाउ दीज थिंग्स, यू नो, दोस दैट फाउंडेशन ऑफ दीज थिंग्स कम. दैट इज व्हाई चिल्ड्रन हु आर ट्रांसपेरेंट, एक्सप्रेसिव एट होम, they're comfortable in various decisions, whether it is their relationships, their career decisions. They fall back, they get advice, parents are around, they grow healthy.
Right. So one parenting tip you would want to give to a toddler parent?
He's the smartest kid that you have, and the universe does revolve around them, but they are part of you. You have other elements also, so place everything right and let them grow, let them imbibe. They are very smart and intelligent, and let them find their own pace.
How nice.
Just don't rush them in anything. Enjoy them.
I absolutely resonate with them because these children are so small कि हम इनके ऊपर कोई pressure build करेंगे तो they will burn out faster than we think that they are going to do, right? A parenting tip for a teenager parent?
टीनेज में मैम क्या होता है, सडनली टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल्स बढ़ जाते हैं, एग्रेशन, एंड दे वांट टू टेक द एडल्ट रोल, एंड यू आर नॉट रेडी टू गिव देम दैट रोल राइट नाउ. So if you're seeing mother-son conflict, coming to that, I will add, recently there was a case, you know, such things happen. He was a very sharp he was a very sharp boy, and the parents got transferred. I'm giving an example because it resonates with people.
Absolutely.
So they got transferred, and suddenly the grades went low. He had bad company. Then he started doing things, you know, which would not do well. You know, indulged in social media, in, you know, things, कहीं तो complaint भी हो गया, you know, harassment, kicked out of, lot of things happened, and finally it was, you know, overboard. Then the parents came over, and जब उसका pedigree chart and everything देखा, so they came around कि, you know, one of his paternal uncle, he's like, even if he doesn't afford it, but he's buying vehicles on loan, like maybe a Fortuner or something. He's into cricket, gambling and stuff like that. And child ने एक word बोला Because that's a very recent example I wanted to put across. I idolize Bobby Deol of Animal, and the alarm struck me right.
Right.
So then I called both the parents separately. We talked. I said, I cannot label, but there are elements of bipolarity, and the child is going through it. Then we put him through therapy. Initially, we needed the aid of some medicine, and now he's doing fine. He's even
Lovely.
preparing for his exam.
Lovely.
So such things can happen. So we need to be a little observant. But on a flip side, कभी क्या होता है बच्चे आजकल देखो, I think ma'am I have ADHD. I think ma'am they
Yeah, I
start
think-
self-diagnosing at times.
Exactly. You know, I've had cases in school also where it's very cool to say that, you know, I'm going through this, or I'm having a hormonal rush.
Yeah.
To cover up for a lot of things, you
Yes,
know,
yes,
oh, I'm a teenager. so things like this, I think जो common jargons हो गए हैं,
Yes.
we really need to break that pattern. We need to tell children that this is not right and this is right. Okay, if you feel that you have some reading disability, let's go to a counselor or a therapist and they can diagnose it better.
Yes, we should get evaluated or
Yes,
screened.
absolutely.
And we break that conflict. वो जो troublesome teenage है, parents का conflict break करना है, and parents को भी realize कराना है कि आप कुछ duties lend कर सकते हो उनको, because they are taking your
Yeah,
shoes.
yeah,
You know,
yeah,
some places where they fit in,
Yes.
maybe they're good to get grocery with you, or they can manage one front. So let them pitch in so that
Absolutely.
उनकी ego satiate होती रहे
Right.
and they are on board with it.
Right, right.
Ways, yes.
One parenting tip you would want to give to adult parents?
So, adult parents, you know, in times where we are today, we are independent, partially independent, and we all want my space, me time, which is a precious this thing. I think adult parenting, if you children have outgrown their space, at times we feel that emptiness syndrome, when are they going to come back? But if you have your own social life, you really raise the kid well, pat yourself, applaud yourself, you've come this far, and then they'll make their pace. I think having one common vacation a year with the children or a family vacation really helps and brings good memories and bonds, which really goes a long way, whatever life might bring you. I think that is it.
How lovely. I think such small tips but will make a huge difference in everybody's life. Thank you so much for joining us and giving such invaluable insights to parenting, conflicting and exam stress. I'm sure the audience is going to have a lot of takeaways from this.
I'm so glad, and pleasure is all mine.
Thank you.
Thank you.